Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make shrimp Alfredo with canned sauce. First, let's gather our simple ingredients for this delicious meal. You'll need about 1 pound of shrimp, your favorite pasta, and a jar of good quality Alfredo sauce. Don't forget some butter, a few cloves of minced garlic, and fresh Parmesan cheese for that authentic taste. A little fresh parsley for garnish will brighten up the dish beautifully. Now let's get cooking. Start by boiling your pasta according to the package instructions until it's perfectly al dente. While the pasta cooks, melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a large skillet over medium heat. Add your minced garlic and sauté for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Then, add your shrimp and cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side, just until they turn pink and opaque. Be careful not to overcook them. With your pasta and shrimp ready, it's time to bring it all together. In a separate saucepan, gently warm your canned Alfredo sauce over low heat, stirring occasionally. Once the sauce is warm, drain your pasta and add it to a large bowl along with the cooked shrimp. Pour the warm Alfredo sauce over the pasta and shrimp. Stir everything together until well combined, then mix in about 1/4 cup of fresh Parmesan cheese. For a perfect consistency, if your sauce seems too thick, add a splash of the reserved pasta water until it reaches your desired creaminess. Serve your shrimp Alfredo immediately, garnished with fresh chopped parsley and a generous sprinkle of black pepper. This dish is quick, easy, and incredibly satisfying. For an even quicker cleanup, check out the leak-proof meal prep containers linked in the description, along with other great deals to make your cooking life simpler. Enjoy your delicious homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.